Bay windows are a beautiful and functional upgrade that can enhance the appearance, space, and value of a home. For homeowners in Warren, installing a bay window is an investment that offers long-term benefits, including increased natural light and improved curb appeal. However, before starting a project, it's important to understand the various cost factors involved so you can plan your budget effectively and make informed decisions. One of the biggest cost factors is the size and design of the bay window. Bay windows typically consist of 3 panels, a large center window and 2 angled side windows, but the overall dimensions can vary significantly. Larger windows require more materials and labor, which increases the overall cost. More complex designs, such as those with additional panels or custom angles, can also raise the price due to the added craftsmanship involved. The type of window materials you choose will also impact the cost. Common frame materials include vinyl, wood, fiberglass, and composite options. Vinyl is often the most budget-friendly and requires minimal maintenance, making it a popular choice for many homeowners. Wood offers a more traditional look but may come with a higher price and ongoing maintenance needs. Fiberglass and composite materials provide durability and energy efficiency, often at a higher upfront cost but with long-term value. Glass options are another important consideration. Energy-efficient glass, such as double or triple pane windows with specialized coatings, can increase the initial cost but provide savings over time by reducing heating and cooling expenses. In Warren's climate, where temperatures can vary throughout the year, investing in high-performance glass can improve indoor comfort and help lower utility bills. Labor and installation costs are also a significant part of the overall expense. Bay window installation is more complex than standard window replacement because it often involves structural modifications. The wall may need to be opened up, reinforced, or adjusted to accommodate the new window. Professional installation ensures that the window is properly supported, sealed, and aligned, which is essential for both safety and performance. Structural changes can further affect the cost. In some cases, installing a bay window requires additional support, such as brackets, beams, or even foundation work. If your home's existing structure needs reinforcement, this can add to the overall price. Homes with brick or masonry exteriors may also require more labor and specialized tools, which can increase installation costs. Interior and exterior finishing work is another factor to keep in mind. Once the window is installed, additional work may be needed to complete the look. This can include interior trim, painting, drywall adjustments, and exterior siding or finishing. Custom features, such as built-in seating or storage beneath the bay window, can also add to the overall cost but provide added functionality and value. Permits and local regulations may also play a role in your project. Depending on the scope of the installation, you may need permits to ensure the work meets local building codes. While this is a necessary step for safety and compliance, it can add to the overall project cost. Another factor to consider is the long-term value of the investment. While bay windows may have a higher upfront cost compared to standard windows, they offer benefits that can offset the expense over time. Increased natural light can reduce the need for artificial lighting, and energy-efficient features can help lower utility bills. Additionally, bay windows often increase home value, making them an attractive feature for future buyers. Timing can also influence costs. Scheduling your installation during peak seasons may result in higher labor costs due to demand. Planning your project during off-peak times can sometimes help reduce expenses and provide more flexibility in scheduling. In the end, the cost of installing a bay window in Warren depends on a combination of factors, including size, materials, glass options, labor, structural requirements, and finishing details. By understanding these elements and working with experienced professionals, homeowners can make informed decisions that balance budget, style, and performance. With the right planning, a bay window installation can be a worthwhile investment that enhances both the comfort and value of your home.